A meteor shower is a celestial event observed when a large number of meteors are released from a point in the night sky called the radiant point. Meteors form from leftover comet particles or pieces of broken-up asteroids. Comets leave a trail of dust behind as they orbit the Sun. Every year, Earth passes through the path of this debris, which then breaks up on impact with the atmosphere, creating fiery, colorful streaks in the sky. The Perseids are the most well-known and frequently observed meteor shower, and each meteor shower has roughly the same conditions each year. The Perseid Meteor shower is active from July 14th to September 1st. It peaks on August 12th or 13th, depending on the year. The typical number of meteors observed locally is 50 to 75 per hour. The Perseids occur every year, but mark your calendars now for the possibility of the Perseids in 2028. The Perseids are a prolific meteor shower associated with Comet Swift-Tuttle and are usually visible from mid-July to late August. The meteors are called the Perseids because they appear from the general direction of the constellation Perseus. A constellation is not the source of the meteors. The pieces of space debris that interact with our atmosphere and create the Perseids come from the comet 109P Swift-Tuttle, which takes 133 years to orbit the Sun. How to see the Perseids? You can find the Perseids anywhere, but there are a few places where you're more likely to see the meteors. Plan ahead and check the weather forecast. If it doesn't look good, find another location or go on a different day. The days before the climax are usually better than the days after. Reduce light pollution in your visibility. This might mean going to the countryside or a nearby park, or even turning your back on street lights if you don't have an escape route. Meteor spotting is ideal when the moon is below the horizon or when it's a crescent moon. Otherwise, natural light pollution will prevent you from seeing the fainter meteors. To observe the Perseids, we recommend looking for the point in the sky where the meteors appear to be coming from, called the radiant point. To best see the Perseids, go to the darkest place, sit down and relax. The trick is to look at as wide an area of the sky as possible and wait about 30 minutes for your eyes to adjust to the darkness. That way you won't need a telescope or binoculars. But that means you'll need to avoid looking at your phone. If you need any more tips on photographing the Perseid meteor shower, feel free to ask in the comments section. Don't miss out on the Perseid meteor shower.